Monsieur le Premier ministre, Madame la Ministre, cher Rémi, distinguished guests, colleagues and friends, I am so pleased to celebrate with you today the 80th anniversary of l'Agence Française de Développement, our dear AFD. It has become, over the decades, much more than a development bank, contributing to development financing as well as to knowledge and capacity building across the globe. You've embraced new challenges and opportunities, constantly modernizing and opening to new competencies, to new sectors, to new partnerships. You have been a strong and reliable partner for the IMF for decades, particularly in the most vulnerable countries. We thank you for that. Today, there is even more urgency for us to all act together. First, vaccinating the world remains our most immediate moral and economic imperative. With new pandemic waves and new variants, this health crisis is far from over. Building on the commitments made by AFD, by France, by other partners, we must continue to close the dangerous divide in access to vaccines. Second, we must do all we can to give low-income countries the tools and the financing they need to bounce back from the pandemic crisis and build a more resilient economic future. Short of such support, these countries face unprecedented setbacks in terms of development and poverty reduction. Third, meeting the immense challenges of transitioning to green, digital, and more inclusive economies will not be possible without joint efforts by all public institutions as well as by private actors. So, as we reflect on this celebration and on our partnership, what should we concretely seek to accomplish? Let me highlight two priorities. The first one is to work together to help close very large financing gaps. To focus just on sub-Saharan Africa for a moment, we estimate financing needs of $425 billion from 2021 to 2025 to strengthen the pandemic response and avoid further divergence, further falling behind from the path of advanced economies. And more will be needed to build forward better. And in this context, I applaud the efforts of the Coalition of Public Development Banks, very much spurred by AFD, to strengthen their cooperation in support of the Sustainable Development Goals and to tackle the climate crisis, and thus to make the most efficient use of their considerable financial firepower. For our part, after the historic allocation of special drawing rights of $650 billion, we are working at full speed on voluntary reallocation from stronger members to those most in need. We set a $100 billion global ambition to amplify the SDR allocation of wealthier countries for the benefit of low-income countries, through existing concessional lending instruments and through a new resilience and sustainability trust. I applaud France for setting an early goal of channeling 20% of your new SDRs to poorer countries, which will build strong and broad support for SDR on lending. You set an example and others are following. The second priority is to foster more private sector investment in low-income and emerging market countries, including to address climate change. At the fund, we support policies and institutional development critical for improving the business environment. And we look forward to working with AFD on ideas to de-risk investments, especially in the area of climate action. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry once said, "Being human is to feel that by placing your stone, you're contributing to building the world. Congratulations to Remírio and all AFD colleagues for your role in building a better world. We look forward to continuing our common journey for decades to come.